Leadership development and succession planning. Leadership development and succession planning are critical aspects of ensuring long-term organizational success. In this article, we will delve into the significance of effective leadership and development programs, explore strategies for identifying and nurturing future leaders, and highlight best practices for seamless succession planning. The importance of leadership development. Effective leadership is the cornerstone of a thriving organization. Leadership development programs play a crucial role in cultivating a pipeline of capable leaders who can drive growth and navigate challenges. These programs provide opportunities for skill enhancement, personal growth, and leadership training. By investing in leadership development, companies can foster a culture of continuous learning, empower employees to take on leadership roles, and create a robust talent pool to meet evolving business needs. Strategies for identifying and nurturing future leaders. Identifying and nurturing future leaders is a strategic process that requires careful consideration. Companies can adopt the following strategies. Talent assessment. Implementing a comprehensive talent assessment framework helps identify high potential employees with leadership capabilities. This can be achieved through performance evaluations, competency assessments, and feedback mechanisms. Mentoring and coaching. Pairing emerging leaders with experienced mentors provide guidance, support, and opportunities for knowledge transfer. Coaching programs can help individuals develop specific leadership skills, overcome challenges, and unlock their full potential. What is succession planning? The term succession planning refers to a business strategy companies use to pass leadership roles down to another employee or group of employees. Succession planning ensures that businesses continue to run smoothly and without interruption. After important people move on to new opportunities, retire, or pass away, it can also provide a liquidity event which enables the transfer of ownership in a going concern to rising employees. Succession planning is a good way for companies to ensure that businesses are fully prepared to promote and advance all employees, not just those who are at the management or executive levels. Understanding succession planning. Succession planning is a contingency plan. It is not a one time event, rather, it should be reevaluated and updated each year or as changes dictate within the company. As such, it evaluates each leader's skills, identifying potential replacements within and outside the company, and in the case of internal replacements, training those employees so they're prepared to assume control. Succession planning best practices. Succession planning Successful succession planning ensures a smooth transition of leadership roles and minimizes disruption. Key best practices include identifying critical roles, identifying key positions and their associated skill requirements is vital for effective succession planning. Developing succession plans, creating a structured plan that includes potential successors, their development paths, and timelines is crucial. This plan should align with organizational goals and values. Continuous evaluation. Regularly evaluating potential successors' progress and performance ensures their readiness to leadership roles. Knowledge transfer. Implementing knowledge transfer mechanisms such as mentoring and documentation facilitates the transfer of critical knowledge from outgoing leaders to successors. Applying succession planning best practices can help organizations overcome common succession planning challenges, like adapting a long-term perspective and following through on development plans. Then let's explore these best practices in more detail. Succession planning best practices. Number one is adopt a long-term perspective. Ensure structured development. Integrate succession planning with talent management. Measure outcomes, not process. And be realistic and communicate clearly. Number one is adopt a long-term perspective. Amsterdam-based soccer club Ajax has historically been one of the most successful clubs in the world, producing talents like Johan Cruyff, Patrick Kluivert, Wesley Sneijder, and Luis Suarez. One of the reasons the club has been so successful is its long-term perspective. Talent is scouted early. Children as young as 7 joined the Ajax Youth Academy. As the children aged, the best ones got promoted in higher divisions. The most successful player end up living their dream, playing in the Premier League. This is an excellent example of Ajax's long-term strategic perspective. The club nurtures talent for at least 10 years before they join the Premier League team. Whenever a player of that team leaves, Ajax has multiple candidates lined up who can replace them, regardless of the position in the field. Number two is ensure structured development. Having a well-structured development process in place is vital to effective succession planning. Such a process allows people to train and acquire the skills they need to move into a critical role in the future. It's essential to link succession planning to learning and development actions. This can include the development of specific skills or for employees to gain broader career experience in different functions, units, or geographical locations. Number three is integrate succession planning with talent management. Succession planning is a form of talent management, so aligning succession planning and leadership development practices with existing talent management practices makes sense. As we discussed above, talent management begins with the employee and explores how their career path and skills can develop within the company. Succession planning focuses on the critical roles that need filling. Once you identify these roles, you can start thinking about which candidate would be a good fit for them. Integrating these two practices helps minimize key talent retention and create a thoughtful succession plan. Number four is measure outcomes and not process. Leaderships, leaders and executives pay attention to tangible metrics. If you don't set track succession planning goals, it won't be easy to gain buy-in from leaders and ensure the process is successful. Plus, working with the leadership team to determine goals helps garner that crucial support, and the results will point to where you need to make improvements in future succession planning efforts. Number five is be realistic and communicate clearly. Marshall Goldsmith, an executive educator and coach, gives the example of an accomplished engineer who has the potential to become COO. To do that, they need to gain more sales experience, but the company would never risk putting someone without sales experience in a top sales job. This demonstrates the importance of being realistic when creating a succession plan. Then we have the conclusion. Leadership development and succession planning are instrumental in nurturing future leaders and ensuring organizational success. By prioritizing these initiatives, companies can build a strong leadership pipeline, drive innovation, and maintain stability during leadership transitions. Investing in effective leadership development programs and implementing sound succession planning practices are essential for long term and sustainability. That's all for my report, and thank you.